Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is a big WXY. I still think this is an ABC of wave Y. I still think it's most likely going to take out the high of wave W, the high of wave 4, and probably end up all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels to finish off a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this is very clearly the end of a correction. I think this is a 1. I still think this is a wave 2, and the question is whether the wave 2 is actually over or not. It kind of almost looks like it could possibly be over, but I still think there's probably a better likelihood that it's going to go down a little bit more before it actually does go up and finish off that 3, that 4, and that wave 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So taking a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm starting to wonder about this move because right now it definitely looks like 3 waves down. It definitely looks like it's trying to make a higher low. We have to be cautious because there's always a chance this could just keep on trending up, especially because of the weekly and monthly, I believe, in a big uptrend. Now, I've been saying for quite a while that most likely this move up is a correction to this move down and that it's actually going to go down further before it does go up, but we definitely have to be aware of all possibilities. Going down to the 4-hour time frame, this move up is looking pretty impulsive to me, which is why I keep saying this possibly could just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. And luckily, we do have a solution for that. Now, I would, for now, still be looking at this move up as possibly a correction to this move down, maybe like a 1 and a 2. So if it does make like a 3-way pattern, if it does make a Fibonacci bounce, then I would definitely still take it as a short, especially if you get a Fibonacci bounce with a breaker structure on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, there's always a possibility that this just keeps on trending up. You probably would bounce off Fibonacci levels either way, but you would not get a break of structure. And if you don't get a break of structure, then you should definitely still be looking for longs, especially if you trade the 1 hour time frame and below. So we've had a couple pretty nice little long opportunities already this week, and I would definitely continue to look for longs unless you see this picture right here. If you see that picture right there, then that would tell you that it probably is a wave 2, that it probably is a wave 1. Nice Fibonacci bounce with a breaker structure would tell me that it's time to start looking for shorts again for the continuation of a wave 3. Now, I still think this is the most likely possibility, but like I said, if it doesn't make this picture, if it doesn't break structure to the downside, instead just bounces out the fib levels and makes higher highs, higher lows, then you should just continue to trade with the trend until the trend tells you otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.